Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Big E back again with another one, and today we got Harlem Bling in the building, guys, and I got a crazy one. I got a really crazy one today. It's gold, so Bob is definitely going to be feeling it because you guys know Bob is a gold snob, but the piece that we're reviewing could really do some damage to Bob if he don't do the right thing, right, Bob? Right? Bob, do your thing, bro. Do your thing. All right, guys, so first off, this is the new Harlem Bling travel case right here, and I use these things all the time, guys. I stack my jewelry in these things like no other. They're sturdy, they look great, they're great material. You got this beautiful leather here and this stitching, but I'm not showing you the box today. Maybe I'll show you the box a little bit.
What's in this box?
The box.
But I want to show you guys what's in the box, and what's in the box was so big that it broke the box that it came in. So without further ado, and hopefully I don't blow my back out, pause.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Before showing you this, guys, but look at this.
It's pretty.
We have a 16.5mm, 30-inch solid gold vermeil diamond cut rope chain from Harlem Bling, and this thing weighs over 700 grams. You heard me right, 700 grams. This could be almost 800 grams. I don't even know, but this thing is heavy. All right, guys, so let's get into this thing now. And as you guys can see, I am wearing my Big E pendant that I got from Harlem Bling that I absolutely love. I wear this thing all the time. Got this beautiful honeycomb setting, and I love, love, love rocking this pendant. With that being said, though, guys, this has to come off my neck right now because we got to make room for this behemoth that we have coming out. And check this out, guys. I mean, guys, I'm just holding this thing, and boy, yo, this is honestly, this thing is scary. I mean, this thing is an absolute monstrosity, but guys, this thing is freaking nuts. This is nuts right here. Beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship. I mean, guys, these are handmade, and look at these diamond cuts. I mean, look at these beautiful, beautiful cuts.
Damn!
I mean, sometimes when you go this big on a piece, you sacrifice quality, but Harlem Bling, guys, they do it right. And this thing is just freaking crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy. Now let's get back over here, guys, and we have this right here. This is our lobster class. This says 925. It says Italy. Listen, this is not a piece that you can wear every day. I mean, I guess some people might. Even Big E would not wear this every day, but you can keep this aside. But that being said, guys, I want to get a measurement on this thing. I'm actually been looking forward to this. And here we go, guys. So let's power this on. Let us get a measurement. I don't think I've ever had to open this thing this wide.
All right, hey.
17.3, 16.55, and let's get one more, guys. God, this thing is so big, it's hard to measure.
What did that just mean?
16.92. So guys, we're hovering above a 16.5, and we can pretty much call this thing a 17mm rope. A 17mm freaking rope. Think about that. Think about it. Listen, this isn't a piece for everyone. This isn't a piece for whoever, but someone is watching this right now, and this is a piece for you. And I will tell you, that person that is watching this right now, that's like, yo, I could probably pull that thing off. Do not hesitate, man. This thing is beautiful, beautiful. And the crazy thing, guys, is I'm about to put this around neck in a minute, and on me, it kind of looks regular just because I'm a big ass dude, which is even crazier. But let us get Big Bertha. This is Big Bertha because of pieces like this. We're at 0. And guys, let us see what this thing weighs. I can't even see what that says. 752.9. 752 grams, guys. This thing is no freaking joke. This thing is a spectacle. All right, guys, lastly, I am gonna put this around neck. We're gonna rate it and we're gonna wrap it up. So I will be right back and let me show you this around neck.
5 minutes later.
All right, guys, we are back. And here is the woolly mammoth, the beast, Godzilla, whatever you want to call it. Here it is around neck. And because I'm such a big ass dude, this thing doesn't even look that crazy around me. So don't use me as an example, but this thing hits hard. I love this thing. This is something that I am going to wear out on the reg, guys. I mean, listen, 750 grams, it's heavy, but it's manageable for Big E. I absolutely love this chain. So guys, with all that being said, there is nothing left to do but rate it. And on a scale of note to dope, I am giving the Gold Vermeil Harlem Bling 925 sterling silver 16.5, actually we're going to call it a 17mm rope chain, a 9.5. Guys, I'm getting a little crazy with the ratings, but congratulations, Harlem Bling. That's the highest rating I've given out on the channel. You want to know why, guys? Not the most expensive thing I've ever reviewed. Definitely not. It's not the most unique thing I've ever reviewed. Actually, it might be up there. But guys, this thing is just crazy. Guys, if you are in the market for a huge piece, or maybe you just want an investment piece, maybe you just want to invest in something that'll look cool in your house and you put this on display. I mean, guys, this is definitely a conversation starter, but do not hesitate to pick this thing up. I know it's not for everyone, but if it is for you, don't think about it. Just get it. With that, guys, this has been my official review of this 17mm rope chain by Harlem Bling. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment, guys. I love it when you guys comment. Let's talk shop. Let me know what's going on. Guys, I got some crazy stuff coming up on the channel. I'm so excited to share it with you all. With that, this has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.